today I'm going to teach you how to use the speed curve feature, the new speed curve feature in Inshot. So let's go. Inshot is a really easy to use and widely used mobile editing app. Even the most beginner editor can find it easy editing on Inshot. So without further ado, let's do this. If I wanted to lower the speed here, and I try to do that, see, I'll split the video and then I'll lower the speed of speed here, like this much. It's going to be a really rough turn. Wait. See, it's really rough. It's not smooth. It's like a quick, as you can see. But if you want to make it smooth, I'll show you how to do that. Speed curves are used to smoothly transition between fast footage and slow footage. So I'm going to show you how it's done. If you look here, I am going to lower lower the speed here. So it's going to be a rough turn. See, it's really rough. It's sudden. It's quick. If you want it to be smooth, all you need to do is go to speed curve and then go to the curve place. This is the standard. This is the curve. Standard curve. Okay. In the curve place, you can find four things. One, your video, and the others are the delete and add thing, the reset thing, and the control knob place. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to use it now. So what you want to do is go to any of these knobs and you can control the speed. So when you go, when you put it higher, it will become faster, and when you put it down, it will be slower. Okay, so if you want to do it fast, go there, slow, go down. Okay, so that's that. The reset button is for if you do something with your control knobs and you want to reset it, all you need to do is press the reset button and everything is back to normal. Okay, and the add and delete button is for if you want to delete a control knob, if you don't want it to be here, you just delete it like this, and then you can play, if you want to, you can place it somewhere else if you want, add here, then you can add one here and one here, like that. Okay, so what do you want to do now? I'm going to change the speed of a particular place. So we'll just change the speed here, smoothly change the speed, towards the ground. So if you watch the video now, it's going to smoothly turn the speed. Smoothly. It's not like that sudden which we had on the first, but now it's slowly and then it goes back up because it's up again. And if I do fully down, it will only go faster like that. So, see, that's how you use the speed curve feature. So hope you like the video, guys. Subscribe if you did, and tell me if I should post more of these Inshot videos, because the most viewed video in my channel right now is the last Inshot video, the keyframe one. So tell me if you want to see these kinds of Inshot videos again, and I think we can hit 1,000 views again with this video. So bye.